Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the app and permissions are ready. Open Google Calendar, sign in with your main Google account, and immediately enable calendar access and background app refresh so events sync reliably. Once done, add any secondary accounts, work or school, inside the app settings so you don't miss invites. Make sure notifications are allowed in iPhone settings under Notifications for alerts. These first steps get syncing and notifications working, so you can create and manage events right away. You'll now focus on building useful events. Tap the plus button to add an event and fill title, location, guests, and conferencing links. Use natural language like Lunch with Sam tomorrow 1 p.m. to speed entry. Then customize color, visibility, and set custom notifications and repeat rules so events behave predictably. Create templates or duplicate events for regular meetings to save time. Once configured, invite guests and check RSVP status. This ensures your calendar communicates details and reduces back-and-forth scheduling. Finish by integrating and automating workflows so your calendar works across the iPhone. Enable sync with the iPhone calendar app, connect Apple reminders, add widgets, and create Siri shortcuts to view or add events faster. Use color coding and calendar filters to reduce noise. If something goes wrong, force close and reopen the app, pull to refresh, verify account passwords, and re-enable calendar permissions. Often toggling background app refresh or removing and re-adding the account fixes persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.